Hidden in the shadows of Sector 6, the once dormant arena has reawakened after nearly 2 centuries, sending shivers throughout the galaxy. But for those who long for battle, this is a call to action to re-enter the legendary arena of the infamous warriors known only as Heavy Knuckles. In Heavy Knuckles, players assemble their core, fortify their mechs with powerful arms, and it's game on! Use the action dice to rebuild, swap parts, sabotage, and of course, attack! Knock out your opponent's core and claim victory in Heavy Knuckles! Find out what you're made of! Get into the arena now on Kickstarter!